What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here, Galaxy S7, iPhone 6s Plus. Let's do a bend test with what we have left over. Galaxy S7 definitely didn't take as much impact as the iPhone 6s Plus did. You know, this thing still looks pretty usable. There's a bend definitely, but the display didn't break. So in terms of durability, iPhone 6s Plus did just a little bit better in the drop. But the bend test, I want to see how this thing fares, you know, being bent. It's not likely that it'll ever bend in real life, but I just wanted to see in terms of stress how much each can take before bending. Let's go ahead and set these guys right here. Now both are still working, and this is left over from the drop test. So as you can see, the edge didn't do so well, but the frame itself, that's what I want to test here. It's not about the glass breaking, anything like that. How much force do I have to apply? Can it be bent using my hands? This isn't very scientific, but I wanted to see. So, you know, just so I don't cut myself, let's go ahead and do the Galaxy S7 Edge first. Can it be bent? All right. So starting, I don't know. This is actually a very, very tough metal. Let's see if it can be done. Man, I've done this before. It wasn't easy. We'll use the edge of the table if we have to, but here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, a little bit. Not much though. Oh, I'm actually tearing the display. Look at that. Oh, man. It's not easy, that's for sure. A little bit of a bend though. Let's keep going. Ooh. All right, so yeah, I can bend it. It's not easy, but it bends. Let's try and use some of this table though. Yeah, there we go. So let me rest my hands for a little bit. Oh my goodness. Wow. So definitely bendable. I'd say tearable. I'd say you can almost tear the glass in half, but it's all broken, so of course it's a side effect. But I've done the bend test with the 6s Plus before. It wasn't easy. This wasn't easy. I'm gonna rest for a little bit and get back to this guy right here. All right, this guy bent. It wasn't easy, but it was possible with the help of the table. 6s Plus, the one that survived all of our tests. Let's go ahead and try and bend this guy. Same way, so here we go. Oh man, oh my goodness, wow. I wasn't expecting that, so it actually separates from the antenna band up here. Yeah, that's where it's easiest to bend, surprisingly. So LCD is shot just like that. Let's keep going. This is just the power of my hands. Wow. Definitely bendable. And yeah, there's that display for you. Wow. Okay. So we'll try and bend it with the edge of the table too to see, but you know, this isn't likely to happen in your pocket, so you guys don't have to worry about that. But if you're feeling like you wanted a banana, bend your phone and there you go. All right, let's wrap this up. Bend it. There we go. That is what I wanted. All right, so I feel like I could just tear this off if I wanted to. There we go. So this is far, far, far from anything you're gonna encounter. But we just ripped the top of an iPhone 6s off with my hands, and I can't bear to do this to this guy. So guys, that's it. If you were wondering if you could bend your phone, certainly. Will it happen in your day-to-day life? Probably not, but man, it can happen to you. So be careful with your phones, guys. Edges of tables come out of nowhere, and this could happen at any moment. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to check out the other videos related, and have a great day. Peace. 2, 1. Oh, yeah, that's it. So we've got LCD bleeding in there.